Hey, good morning, class, or good afternoon. So we are on 1.5, okay? We're still on 1.5. We're going to do example number 5. We did review the laws of negative exponents and the laws of just exponents. So on a couple of slides before this, there's a review. So go back and review that, okay? So let's go ahead and do this one. So for A, now if we do the shortcut for this one, the shortcut says to multiply -3 times -2, right? So let's do it. So -3 times -2 is 5 to the 6. That's your answer. We're done. Now, why? Why is it that? Negative. So let's show our work now, and so you can see why it is what it is. So this one right here, this is to the -2. So we already know that we can turn this into a positive. So to turn it into a positive, you're going to do this. 1 over 5 to the -3 squared. Okay? That's what that means. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and turn this guy, this one, let me zoom in. This one is actually going to turn into a positive 2. So it's going to go 1 over 5 to the third squared. Okay? And then let's keep going. So this is going to be 1 over 5 to the third, 1 over 5 to the third. Let me make it look a little better. Okay? Twice, right? Yes? And then this becomes 1 over 5 to the sixth. Okay? Yeah? And then keep going. This becomes 1 over 5 to the -6. Yes? And then this becomes 5 to the 6th. There's your answer. Here goes from here to here, to here, then to here, and then this becomes a -6. Remember that? And then because there's a 1 there now, it goes back to positive. And there it is. There's your answer. That's why this is equal to that. But if you just do the shortcut, it's just -3 times -2, which is 6. Okay? Let's go ahead and go on to B. All right, so for B, now if you do the shortcut for B, you're going to get the same answer. So let's do the shortcut. Let's subtract these integers here. So we have 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is -2. So your answer is going to be 8 -2 times. And then 6 minus 3 for these guys. 6 minus 3 is 3. So it's 4 to the third. And then this one's going to be 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is -2. So it's 2 to the -2. This is your answer. Okay? That's the shortcut. 2 minus 4, 6 minus 3, 3 minus 5. That's the shortcut. If we want to do it the long way, we'll still get the same answer. Watch. Okay? So I went ahead and expanded them. So this is the 2 8s here, the 4 8s, the 6 4s, the 4 3s, the 2 3, the 3 2s, and then the 5 2s. So let's cross these off. Cross, 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 and then cross, cross, cross. So look, right here we have 1 over 8 squared. Right here we have 4 to the third, because there's 3 of them. You see that? And then on this one we have 2 on the bottom. Sorry, I miscounted here. This is to the negative 2. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, to the negative 2. Sorry, for some reason I saw it differently. And then there it is. So now this one converts to this one. This one is this guy. And then this one is that one. Because it's a positive, but then it turns to a negative. Okay? So these are all the same. This is equal to that. Okay? And we're done. Let's go ahead and summarize this thing. Okay? Let's summarize it. So read our essential question again. So our essential question asks, how do you simplify expressions involving negative exponents? So negative exponents. Here we go. Let's go ahead and summarize here. So if we have a number x with a negative exponent a, all you do to change it to a positive exponent, you put a 1 over positive over x, and then this is positive a. That's it. Okay? And then a number to the power of 0 is always 1. Okay? Yes? So a number to a negative exponent a is 1 over x to the exponent positive a. Okay? And then the opposite, 1 over x to the negative a equals x to the positive a. There it is. This converts to that. This converts to this. Okay? All right. And there was one more. There was one more where it's this one, but just written backwards. So it's like this. X to 1 over x to the a positive equals x to the negative a. It's this one. They're the same. Okay? If you want to flip this one too, 1 equals x to the power of 0. It's the same. Okay, and this one too over here. X to the power of a equals 1 over x to the negative a. Okay? That's it. That's what we did. There's your summary, and we're done. So make sure you guys put this on the next slide. Make sure you guys either type it in or you take a picture of this that you did and put it in the slide. And then you're going to go ahead and do a quiz this. All right, guys, if you have questions, let me know. All right.